In this video, I'm going to show you how to create broadcast channel on Instagram step by step. Whether you are a creator, a business, or just someone who wants to build a community, this feature is a game changer. Now stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll have your own broadcast channel set up and ready to go. This feature only works if you have a lot of followers. You can find it in the messages tab right here. Just click on it, and at the top right you can see that you can create a message, and right here you will find your contacts. This is the button. Just click on it, and after you click on it you will find create a broadcast channel at the top. Right under here you will find create a broadcast channel. Now if you don't have this feature, as you can see in my account, don't worry, I will show you how to fix this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is to update Instagram. You can find it in the link in the description below. This is a crucial step for this feature to work on your Instagram page. And after you do that, just click on it and make sure to update the app. As you can see now, just go ahead, click on update, and just give it some time to install. So the important part, not everyone has access to this feature yet, and to create a broadcast channel you usually need to have a creator business account and the latest version of Instagram. As you can see now, we are downloading it, and sometimes you need a certain number of followers. So if you meet these criteria and still don't see this feature available on your Instagram, I will show you now how to do it. Just wait for the app to update, and while we wait for the app to update, I will explain to you what is a broadcast channel. A broadcast channel is a one-to-many messaging tool inside Instagram where creators can send updates, behind scenes, and more to their followers. It's like a newsletter, but inside the app. The cool part is only you, the creator, can post in this channel. Followers can react with emojis or vote in polls, but they can't reply with messages. This keeps things clean, controlled, and perfect for building hype or sharing updates. Now the app is updated. You can go ahead, check under your messages, then click at the top right, and here you will find it. And if you still can't find this feature, there is another step we can do again. Now the second thing you can do is to go ahead to your profile. Just make sure the menu tab is available at the top right. Just scroll down or go ahead, refresh again. Just wait a moment. Okay, now it's available. Just click on it. Displays the menu. And now just scroll down. As you can see, this is the settings tab. Keep scrolling down until you find account privacy. Click on it. Make sure your account is not private, and it must be public for this feature to work. If you find your account is private, for example like this, you can switch it back to public, and now your account is public. After you do that, just go ahead, switch your account into a business account or a professional one. If you are a creator, you can choose to be a creator profile. Now just scroll down until you find for professionals tab. As you can see here, you can see creators, tools, and insights. Click on the second one, which is account type and tools, and at the top you can see that you can switch to professional account. You can get more tools, insights, run ads, and get paid. The next thing you need to do is to click on next, and then just follow these steps. You can choose what best describes you from all these options. In my case, I am going to choose artist, for example. You can also display it on your profile. Just click on it and then click on switch to professional account. Then just give it some time and choose if you are a creator or a business. In my case, I am going to choose a creator and then click on next. So this is crucial for your Instagram to have this feature. Now just click on OK and click on not now. You can edit this later. And now you have a professional account and you can start completing all of these tasks. As you can see, now just go ahead, click out of this window, then try to refresh your profile and just go ahead to the home page again. Just click on it, then check your messages and click on this icon on the top right. By now you should see the option is available for you, and having many followers will absolutely help you get this feature faster. Now the next step you can do to make this feature appear on your Instagram, go ahead to settings, then just scroll down, keep scrolling down until you find the help button. As you can see, it's on more info and support. Just click on it and here you can go ahead, report the problem to Instagram by clicking on this first option, and then Instagram will have this problem resolved for you. And there is other things you can do. You can check your account status. Just click on it. You can see here if your account is professional or a business one, and you can go ahead, click on the help center. You can find this link also in the description below. You can also here check for the same problem you have just by going to Instagram for business. You can go ahead, click on that, and here you can find the list of customers problems, or you can go ahead, search, type in broadcast. As you can see now, just make sure to type everything correctly, then hit enter. Now you can see here channels. Just click on it, and here you can find how to create a broadcasting channel exactly how I showed you. Click on create a channel on Instagram, and here it's mandatory to have a professional account as I told you. And if you scroll down, you can find exactly how to create a broadcasting channel and all the steps you need to create it. So after you do that, you can go ahead, click out of this help center to report the problem to Instagram, and I will show you the message you will write for them to reply to you. Now just go back to help, then click on report a problem. You can see here, click on report a problem, and then you can go ahead, click don't include and continue if you want to not include your complete logs. Now the message you can type for them to give you this feature is simple. All you can type is, I don't have access to broadcast channels. I have updated the app and my account is set to creator, but the feature is still missing. Please help. It's crucial to type all this message correctly and just wait a couple of minutes or hours and Instagram will fully give you this feature. This will send your issue to Instagram support team. They usually don't respond directly, but this will help them fix these bugs and track bugs and prioritize these fixes. Now you can go ahead, type in this feature is still missing, then type in please help. So after you do that and you're done typing, you can include a screenshot. If you go ahead to the messages and then screenshot that you don't have it, after that click on send. And now as you can see, the report has been sent and this notification will pop up for you. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.